Hey guys, I'm back again at the rest stop. Wednesday, February 26th, about 6 p.m. right before dark. Hasn't been hardly any action out here today at all, but I'm just going to take a little nature walk and see what's happening, I guess. Beautiful day though. Blue skies all day. And I'm definitely going to go take a walk. Not a whole lot of anything out here, really. These are definitely trails that people have made through here. We had some really bad weather come through here, so I'm sure you can see a lot of trees down. But it's the forest. It does recover by itself. Oh, I don't know if I can get down there. It looks like it's all muddy, swampy. Mudland. Maybe not a good idea. As you can see, there's a few trucks, and look at that beautiful sunset, sunset. Pretty cool out here. If you like good nature trails, you can find a load of them over here. We are in Heidelberg, just north of Laurel. And wow, look at that, straight up. We come out here sometimes in groups. So it's pretty cool. I don't know how deep I can get in here though, guys. I don't feel like getting stuck in a swamp today. Had a lot of bad weather through here the past week or so. Shit's really getting soft. Trying to stay on high ground here, but yeah, it's not really a lot down there other than trails. But as you can see, there's a lot of swampland in here too. Now I don't know if anybody's ever been back in there. I don't think I'm going to take a chance to go any further. The other way is better. I think it's higher ground. Ooh, hello, branch. Yeah, I'm not gonna go deep in here. That's all I need to do is sink into some quicksand. Kind of on my own out here. 2 bars of service. Don't know if that's gonna be the greatest, but it's all good. Little hidden secrets back here, nature lovers. Y'all like to walk around, and I've gotten some amazing coverage. There's one down in Hattiesburg that I've been to that once I get home and have time to edit some of these videos, I'll post them. There's some of the trucks pulling out now. A beautiful sunset in the back there. This is the northbound side of I-59. About maybe, I don't know, maybe 8 miles north of Laurel. 10 miles the most, maybe. It's only 12 miles from my house to here, so I come out here quite often just to unwind and relax. Pretty cool out here. Not as good as Lake Sehoy though, which that video I will post as well. That was beautiful over there. But your nature action, guys, we'll find plenty of it out here. Plenty of it will be out here. Unfortunately, people have been out here and they're slobs, you know? I mean, come on, guys. If you come out here, leave your drinks and shit in your car, or take your trash when you leave. It's not a dining room out here. Just come by and enjoy the scenery. Take a little walk, relax, enjoy life, man. It's good. It'll be dark here in about a half hour, so I won't be able to do any more filming. We just had some recent weather here, and you can see the trees are all... It's been a few days since I've been out here before the weather hit. Actually, the trail was clear the last time I was out here, so it wasn't so much trash. I wonder what was going on over here. No, 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 nope, nope, nope. I don't want to know. But as you can see, people are just nasty, man. This is nature out here. This is beautiful. This is one of the reasons I moved to Mississippi, was to be able to enjoy nature, have a little time to relax, not have to work a 60-hour work week for chicken shit feed money. You don't see this in the city. Oh yeah, there you go. These are not little twigs either. These are pretty sturdy trees. They don't